Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the latest buzz around Samsung's Galaxy A55 5G and exploring what's new and exciting with this device, based on the most recent updates available. While we don't have specific updates on the Galaxy A55 5G model itself, let's take a look at some recent launches and updates in the Samsung Galaxy A series for insights. 1. Galaxy A25 5G. Samsung recently launched the Galaxy A25 5G in the US. This device features a 6.5-inch Super AMOLED display, a triple rear-facing camera system 50+8+2 megapixels, and a 13 megapixels front-facing camera. It boasts a 5000 mAh battery with support for 25W fast charging. The device runs on Android 14 and is powered by an Exynos 1280 processor. 2. The Galaxy A15 5G and A25 5G are being showcased at the Sinulog Festival. These phones come with Super AMOLED displays, large 5000 mAh batteries, and fast charging capabilities. The A25 5G, in particular, features a 50 megapixels OIS main camera, an 8 megapixels ultra-wide camera, and a 2 megapixels macro lens. 3. Galaxy A35 on Geekbench. In related news, the Galaxy A35 was spotted on Geekbench, revealing an Exynos 1380 chipset and 6 GB of RAM. This configuration suggests that Samsung is focusing on enhancing the performance in its A series models. Based on these updates, we can anticipate that the Galaxy A55 5G might feature similar high-quality displays and camera capabilities as seen in the A25. Additionally, considering the chipset upgrade in the A35, the A55 5G could also see significant performance improvements. Stay tuned for more updates on the Galaxy A55 5G. Samsung seems to be upping its game with the A series, promising better displays, cameras, and overall performance. We'll keep you posted as more news comes in, so don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for the latest in tech news.